Obviously, you've seen me use the schedules window to look at editing property values en masse in a model. The schedule windows is really powerful because it allows you to not only to review properties, but you can actually generate report templates. You can build Excel pre-formatted templates and export data directly into the template for consumption by other audiences or other applications. And we give you the ability to create not only reports for single catalogs, you can report across multiple catalogs as well. But if you've got those Excel templates, why not produce reports using Power BI or even Excel? I've used Power BI in this instance. And the example you see there is a very quick dashboard that I put together looking at the classification codes on objects using the model. In the bottom left-hand corner, I've got a count of how many times a particular code appears in my model. I've got a percentage report pie chart that tells me a particular classification accounts for 30% of my specification. This is a space usage and classification report. And then I've got some little totals up there in the top right-hand corner that are looking at the total area that I've placed against the program area, the area that I was supposed to provide. And I've also got a little count of some missing data there. If you're using the schedules to export, all you need to do is do the export once, build your dashboard, and then every time you re-export from the schedules window and overwrite the previous Excel spreadsheet with the same name, the next time you open up your dashboard, you can just refresh the data and it will be back up to speed. So we can do this on the desktop. It's also possible to do this in an automated fashion using the iTwin services and OpenBuildings Designer. But I just thought I'd show you a desktop version of that. And then lastly, the last subject I just want to touch upon is I've exported some information to Excel and I'm then opening Power BI to look at that information. I do some data cleanup so that Power BI can number crunch the data in a manner that is convenient to its internal processes. And then what I can do is then begin, building my dashboard using, like I say, the fields from that Excel spreadsheet to produce that dashboard. It's a very powerful tool. I've done something very basic. I'm sure people with far better Power BI skills can make a much more compelling and interesting dashboard to describe how their project is progressing, what the data quality is like, that kind of thing. So again, visual reporting, visual analysis, number crunching from OBD driven by the DataGroup system.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.